a JLG 2658 scissor lift. I purchased from auction. It was non-running condition. I've removed the undercarriage, welded on the jack stands, welded on a quick attach plate. I reduced the weight so that my tool cat can pick it up. It now weighs roughly 1,800 pounds. My lifting capacity is about 2,000. I can move it around with a man on top. I did Plummet's own hydraulic system, dual acting up and down. And the power is currently a set of jumper cables because I didn't feel I would use it enough to warrant having its own battery. It would just be a dead battery. With the controller, up and down. It's very controlled. I do plan to repaint it, sandblast and repaint, unless it sells as is. It will reach 30 feet up. I have to back up. There's 30 feet. It's not pretty, but completely usable. A lot of surface rust, needs to be repainted, wired, wheeled, sandblasted, repainted. It would make a great deer blind. Tuck it out in the woods, drop it off with a skid steer. Hell, I will deliver it and drop it off with the tool cat out in the woods. All you need is a battery to hook up to it. You can go 30 feet up. Feel free to leave questions and comments. I'll do my best to answer.